All right, hey everyone, Mrs. Peterson, and right now I'm going to show you how to download sound effects, which you probably already know how to do, but I'll go ahead and do it. On this one, I was trying to figure out where I would do sound effects, and sound effects aren't required, but you might want some on yours. And so what I was thinking was the basketball thing is probably import, export, and so I wanted to like make sort of a reverse sound or something. So the first thing I want to do, this is kind of jumping ahead. If you are doing a reverse of something, you have to duplicate that. So I want this twice. So I'm going to do Command C to duplicate it. Then I'm going to put my cursor here and Command V to paste it. And then I want them to be right next to each other. Actually, maybe not, because I might do that reverse sound right there and put something funny here. I'm not sure. I'm not exactly sure, but I wanted to make a way for the reverse to happen. I'm not teaching the reverse in this video. I'll show you that to you later. But so I'm gonna get a fast forward or reverse sound. So I need to go to a server and I need to type in reverse sound effect. Okay, here's some different things that come up. I highly suggest if Pixabay is up there, go there because it's free. We already know. Let's see what we got here. That's very cinematic. Not too long. I want something short. That's kind of cool. Nope, not what I'm imagining. I have no idea what that is. All right. None of these are my favorite. But if it's Pixabay, it's super easy. Let's see. I was kind of thinking, maybe I'll use that one. Okay. This one's super easy because all you have to do is download it. It's downloaded. Cinematic Whoosh Reverse is what that one happens to be called. And then what do I have to do? I have to put it in my file. So I'm going to go to my downloads. There it is, Cinematic Whoosh Reverse. There's my video vocab. I'm going to drop it in my video vocab folder somewhere in there. You might have it as a list and it shows up in there, cinematic. And then I'm going to go back to my Premiere Pro. This way. Here we go. Back to my Premiere Pro. And I need to import it here. Remember I said you can always import again, which is right click or file, import. There we go, import. And guess what? It's probably going to find the video folder that I was already in, which is great. I'm going to look for that sound effect. There's my sound effect. Import it. And now I look for the sound. It's going to look a little bit different. There it is, the sound effect. I don't know how long it is, so I'm going to put it actually underneath this one right here. And I really like that beginning part of it. Let's see what happens. And then I would do the in reverse there. That's not bad, actually. I like where I put it. And you can trim it, and you can turn it down and turn it up and stuff like that. We did turn down and turn up when we were doing the other stuff. So I'll teach you something new in the next video. I love you. I miss you already. Go out and change your world for the better.